Hold on a second. This is too good. This is too good. This is too good. The entire world is paying people $25,000 to mentorships to learn how to raise capital. People are paying how to find you. They want you. They want to find you. This is anonymous feedback. I was disappointed with the length of time for credit building process and how much it would cost to build the business lines of credit. I was under the impression that one could jump right in and start making some cash. You can. Why don't you partner with, why don't you go out and find Gator deals, bring them to other Gators? You don't even need the line of credit.
Gator wrestle.
Gator wrestler, bring other people together. I'm doing that right now. Okay. Rob Sema saying in the side chat right now, let's JV. Does anybody in here have lines of credit from PCS already or credit cards that they've gotten that would be so happy if somebody else brought a deal to them right now? Nobody even knows what Gator is. This small little subset group, there are millions and millions of wholesalers across the country and millions of fix and flippers across the country. And there's a few thousand Gators. Go out and find the you know how many transactional lending businesses there are out there because there's so many transactional lending opportunities out there? There are literally hundreds of thousands of transactional lending businesses that have lending licenses to lend money to fix and flippers and wholesalers for double closes and all their transactional lending. Okay. Austin Anderson says, I have $180,000 I can use currently. Yet you want to wait for your own line. Pace, I am so upset that you undercharged for this unbelievable value. And the fact that other people are getting $15,000, $20,000, $40,000, $60,000 by putting in the time. I am just so upset that you pulled me off my couch and actually are making me take some sort of action. I'm so upset that I'm not going to take any action until I get my corporate credit. Really? Because there's people in the side chat in a live Zoom that are saying, I got $180,000 that I will JV with you if you just go do the training and put in the work. Mike Jones says right here, he says, hey, reach out and I can help you with your title, wholesaler, seller calls. I can help you review and underwrite your wholesale and Gator versus private money lending deals. I will work with you as my finder and pay you a finder's fee or be your facilitator to make your Gator deals happen by collab with me and other Gators. Mike Jones. Mike Jones. Remember the name, guys. Mike Jones. Look at all these people in the side chat saying, I got 25,000. I got 250,000. I got 500,000. Guys, that conversation is over. I'm not interested in having a conversation with you ever again. Jorge says, I got 350,000. Eddie G has 150,000. There's money to go around. Go do the work.
There's millions of dollars just in this chat.
Okay, hold on a second. The entire world is going and paying how to raise private capital. Let's think about this. Hold on a second. This is too good. This is too good. This is too good. This is too good. Check this out. The entire world is paying people $25,000 to mentorships to learn how to raise capital. Amy Majori is charging people to go to events, as she should.
She's a good one.
She's great. She's amazing. To teach people how to find you guys. People are paying how to find you.
Just blew everybody's minds.
Bigger Pockets.
Oh my God. Gold
just asked me to write the intro, the foreword for Matt Fairchild's updated book called How to Find Private Money Lenders.
What?
That sold 25,000 copies. There are literally hundreds of thousands of people paying millions and millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars to find you. They want you. They want to find you. And your mindset is, oh my gosh, I don't have my line of credit. Guys, right here. Shame. Ashley says, shame on me. Do we all agree? Anybody ever see Amy Majori marketing for her Raising Capital seminar? Anybody? Here, I'll find another one for you guys.
We all just needed some tough love from you, Pace.
Has anybody ever seen somebody advertise how to raise capital for like $25,000 mentorships?
Mhm.
Guys, people are paying 25 grand to find your 25 grand. Think about that. People are paying 25 grand to find your 25 grand. You guys are private money lenders. You guys are gators. You guys have corporate credit that you are building. You are the people that everybody is taking time to go to seminars, fly across the country, take $25,000 mentorships, and read books. Oh my word. Anybody have a little bit of a mindset shift in the last 45 seconds? Who in here is ready to go out there and help the people that are desperately buying Matt Fairclough's book, How to Raise Private Capital and Where to Find Private Money Lenders, actually go, hey, why? Just stand right in Barnes & Noble and stand next to the book and go, dude, what are you doing? I'm a private money lender. Why are you buying this book to just go find
You don't
me?
even need this.
It's like a treasure map to find you, and you're the treasure. People are desperately trying to find you guys.
They are.
You guys need to understand that people out there paying for books, seminars, etc., just to find you guys. And you have the money. How much money do you think we have in the side chat today? Ben just says roughly between $15 and $30 million available in this group. How many people out there in the regular real estate world? Here, watch this, guys. Watch this. How to raise capital, 1.1 million views. How to raise capital, 91,000 views. How to raise money for your deal, 166,000 views. Raising capital, finding private money lenders, 7,600. Amy Majori, 22,000 views. 41,000 views. Seed funding for startups. Look at all these people looking for private money lenders on things, and you guys have private money. Wouldn't it be really smart for you guys to also go on YouTube? I've also showed this in the training. Go on the YouTube videos that are like how to raise private capital and go in there and say, hey, I have money to lend. I have money to lend. Here's my IG. I have money to lend. Here's my IG. I have money to lend. Here's my IG.
Can I tell you some hacks?
Yes.
Share some hacks with you?
When you hear that the person that you're going to lend money to has done 25 deals successfully, what does that tell you? If I were you and this was my deal,